Welcome, everyone. Over the first quarter, we explored 90 fundamental topics in AI adoption for small and medium-sized enterprises. Today, we'll distill those insights. This briefing encapsulates our Q1 learnings, the solid foundation we've built, and prepares us to move decisively into Q2 execution. The tone is strategic and clear. We've laid the groundwork, and now it's time to act on it. Let's chart how our newly gained knowledge will drive strategic action in the next phase. In Q1, we laid an essential foundation across 3 pillars. First, we demystified AI, ensuring everyone speaks the same language about what AI is and isn't. Second, we got our house in order around data and technology, making sure our data is reliable and our tech infrastructure is prepared. Third, we set the organizational groundwork, aligning culture, leadership, and skills to embrace AI. These efforts converted hype into a strategic plan, pinpointing where AI can immediately benefit us while preparing for larger initiatives. Our journey began with core concepts and the value proposition of AI. We defined artificial intelligence in plain language, covering machine learning, natural language processing, and more, not as buzzwords, but as practical tools. Crucially, we answered, why AI? Why now? For a smaller enterprise. To gain competitive advantage, streamline operations, and enhance customer experiences. We debunked common myths. For example, recognizing that AI is not a magic plug-and-play solution. It requires the right data, people, and strategy. With realistic expectations set, we outlined an AI vision aligned to our business goals and understood where we stand on the adoption curve. This gave leadership a clear, grounded view of AI's promise and the work required to realize it. In February, our focus shifted to data and technology readiness, the backbone of any AI initiative. We treated data as a strategic asset, developing policies for data quality and governance. We assessed our tech infrastructure, deciding where cloud services make sense versus on-premise, always with scalability and budget in mind. We looked at practical tools, even low-code platforms, that can jumpstart AI projects without heavy coding, and weighed the pros and cons of building solutions in-house versus leveraging vendors or open-source tools. All of this was underpinned by a commitment to security and compliance, protecting our data assets and adhering to privacy regulations. By the end of Q1's second month, we had the technical foundation and partnerships mapped out to support effective AI deployment. March was about turning plans into initial actions, laying operational foundations. We identified high-impact projects and launched pilot programs to test AI on a small scale, using agile methods to iterate quickly and learn fast. We engaged stakeholders at every level, from executives to frontline staff, with clear communication so everyone understood the why and how of our AI initiatives. We doubled down on people, ensuring we had the right talent in place through upskilling or hiring, and that our team was engaged and informed. In parallel, we implemented governance structures, policies, and oversight for ethical AI use, and actively managed change to address any resistance. These steps ensured that as we move into Q2, we aren't just AI-ready in theory, we are ready to implement in practice with buy-in and clarity. The first quarter leaves us with 4 big takeaways. 1. Adopting AI is a strategic imperative, not a luxury. Companies acting now are outpacing those who wait. 2. We've built a strong foundation, a common understanding of AI, prepared data and tech, and even hands-on pilot experience. 3. There's been a cultural shift. Our team is becoming more data-driven and open to innovation, which is crucial for AI success. And 4. We've seen proof of value. The quick wins we achieved, like a small retail pilot that boosted average order size by 15% with AI-driven product recommendations, validate that these efforts translate into real ROI. Q1 confirmed that AI can deliver tangible benefits and that our organization is primed to capitalize on them. As we transition into Q2, there's no room for complacency. The pressure is on. Competitors in our industry, including other mid-sized firms, are already leveraging AI to cut costs and win customers. Technology isn't standing still either. The capabilities we studied in Q1, from advanced chatbots to predictive analytics, are evolving quickly, and new breakthroughs, like generative AI, are emerging. We can't afford to get stuck in pilot purgatory, running experiments without scaling them. The momentum we built must carry into broad execution across the enterprise. The cost of inaction is real. Every quarter we wait is a quarter our competitors gain an edge and we leave potential improvements on the table. Q1 gave us knowledge. Q2 is about using it decisively. Looking ahead, our mandate for Q2 is clear. Turn plans into impact. We'll take the AI solutions that prove themselves in pilot and scale them up. For example, if a recommendation engine boosted sales in one product line, we roll it out to all lines. We'll integrate AI throughout the business, not just in one silo, but in marketing, customer service, supply chain, etc., so that intelligent decision support becomes part of every workflow. We have metrics from Q1 as our guideposts, and we will rigorously measure against them, tracking ROI, efficiency gains, and customer satisfaction improvements, and use that data to continually refine our approach. Q2 is also about continuing to innovate. We won't stop at the basics. We'll explore more advanced applications like robotic process automation for routine tasks or digital twins to simulate scenarios before we make real-world changes. By the end of next quarter, AI won't just be a pilot project in our company. It will be delivering value across our operations. Executing an AI strategy at scale is complex, and that's where partnering with experts can be a game changer. HIGTM will act as our co-pilot in Q2 and beyond. Their consultants bring experience to help us avoid common implementation pitfalls and accelerate our AI projects using proven frameworks. They'll work with us to craft a detailed execution roadmap tailored to our goals and constraints. Nothing cookie-cutter. Along the way, HIGTM will help build our internal capabilities, from upskilling our team to embedding best practices and governance for sustainable AI operations. Most importantly, they'll keep us laser-focused on ROI, ensuring every AI initiative we pursue is mapped to tangible business outcomes, be it cost reduction, revenue growth, or customer satisfaction. With HIGTM support, we move forward confidently and efficiently into the execution phase. In closing, Q1 equipped us with the knowledge and groundwork to embrace AI. We've identified the what and how. Now Q2 demands we act on this foundation. Our mission is execution, scaling up successful pilots, launching new AI initiatives across the company, and doing so with agility. We will stay vigilant in monitoring outcomes and be ready to adapt. Continuous improvement is part of this journey. The key message: act now and maintain momentum. To all of us as business leaders, the window of opportunity is open. Let's capitalize on our Q1 preparation and make Q2 truly transformational. HIGTM is here to help make it happen. Our team stands ready to assist in turning these plans into concrete results. Thank you, and let's move forward with purpose.